All right, what is up, flippers? Welcome to a very special and exciting unboxing today. First unboxing outdoors here in the nice pool area, the apartments. I got a package in here today. It is Wednesday, March 9th, 2022. And yeah, you read the title, you know what's in there, so I'm gonna go ahead and without further ado, rip right into this thing. Very, very nice box here. All right, so I'm gonna get the first unboxing here for the Antarctic by Glidr. Very, very nice. Very nice looking. Ooh, good weight and feel to it. I didn't expect to just go for the first opening there, but there you have it. I was too excited to flip this thing. I didn't even check tap. Sounds really nice. It's a little feels a little stiff, could use some lube probably. Man, that thing actually, okay. So, let's, no tap at all, very nice. Very, a lot of clearing between the handles there and the blade. We have a nice little business card inside here. You can see it does come lube. There is some markings from the lube right there. Comes with a bite marker, that's pretty nice. I would hope that all Glidrco products come with a bite marker, because these are like $1. Like literally from their site, it's like $10 for a 10-pack. So I would be surprised if like the Arctic didn't come with one. Even though it is like their cheapest model. But yeah, I was about to say, I think I got cut off there, but I instantly understand why they're called Glidrco. Like, this thing just glides in your fingers. It is so nice. Woo! Yeah, this thing just like glides, like it just feels so smooth. Woo! Getting a little risky there. Oops. Okay, so I'm trying to get used to this grip for fanning. Look at that, that is beautiful. So this orange is a bit more like burnt than it looked in the photos, I think. It does look really nice, really glossy. The blue looks pretty spot on in the photos. I actually really do like how the orange and blue look together. I had a little bit of so when I was ordering this, I actually recorded me ordering this live on the drop. I'll probably upload that at some point. But I couldn't decide between Fire and Ice and the Jupiter colorway. And up until I got this thing in my hands, I was thinking that I probably should have gone with the Jupiter, but looking at this now, I really like this Fire and Ice. I really like how they go well together. Man, this thing just feels so smooth. It is a little, it is getting like a little caught up sometimes. I'm just thinking, ooh, almost first drop. I'm thinking it just needs a little more lube and it'll be fine. This thing really does feel very nice though. Whoa, okay, woo-hoo, take it easy. Let's go ahead and throw this bite marker on there. get it nice and official. All right, there we go. Fire and Ice Antarctic. So yeah, so far it's flipping really smooth, really nice. Feels really nice in the hands. It doesn't look too grippy, but honestly, this little indent in the middle does all it needs to do to provide some grip there. Woo, okay. I need to stop getting risky out here. I'm gonna hit the concrete and have a bad time, so. Oh man. Yeah, first impressions, this thing is really nice. Is it worth $165, $175 with shipping? It's kind of hard to say right now. It is a super quality flipper, and in this balisong market, you know, you do have to pay for original designs that are made quality. So to be determined, I would say. It is a super high quality knife. See if we can get that up there for you, nice and close. So there is quite a bit of play compared to what I've seen on other people's ballies. That is a little disappointing considering I've seen like zero play on some people's, but that really is really good tolerances for bushings. Little disappointed, but not a big deal at all. That's not crazy, as long as it doesn't continue to develop as a lot of my other balisongs kind of do. So yeah, we got the bite indicator right here. It comes with a rubber bite marker. No sticker. No Glidr sticker. I'm not sure if they have stickers, to be honest. The box is really nice, one I will keep probably on display on my table. I think I have 4 boxes right now. Might keep it at 4, get rid of one of the NRB boxes, but yeah, this thing feels really nice. Really, the tang pins feel really good, really like bouncy. Yeah, I haven't dropped it yet, so it's a good sign. Of course, I'm not doing anything crazy because I'm flipping above some concrete right here. But yeah, seems to stick to your hands pretty nicely. I've oh, first drop, no, man, that was a hard one. No tap. Let's take a look here. I dropped it right on the towel, so dang, that's what I forgot to do. I forgot to look at all the little QC before I started flipping it and dropping it. Let's check play again. That looks like more play to me. I don't know. Kind of looks like there's more play now. I don't know if that's just me. Definitely looking like more play. So I will update you guys on how all of that goes. But for now, that was the Glidr Arctic. Excuse me, that was the Glidr Antarctic Fire and Ice unboxing for you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. And see you around, flippers. Have a good one. This is going to be a sound test for the Glidr Antarctic. I don't know. I don't know. I'm thinking between Jupiter and the fire and ice right now. But I don't know. It might have to be the Jupiter. It's 6 o'clock. Let's do it. Jupiter. We're doing Jupiter. Shop now. Oh.